Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. This is Max, and today we're going to learn how to change the timeline resolution. So let's say you have this horizontal kind of resolution, HD resolution for your vlog, for YouTube, or anything. But actually you decided that, I also want to post it on like TikTok or like Instagram Reels, you know. So what do we do now? We got to change it into the vertical format. So how do we do that? That's what this video today is about. Okay. So this is the timeline 1. I didn't really name it. It's just called timeline 1. You find it in the media pool where it is. It's right here. Let's go. You right click and go to timelines and then timeline setting. Then unclick this. So you have the freedom to change the resolution. So what this use project setting is using its overall project setting, which is this resolution. So once you unclick, you are free to change. If you didn't unclick, it will be grayed out. So be careful, you must unclick it. And now 1920 times 1080, to be honest, for us it's quite simple because we just want it vertically. So we can just click the use vertical resolution. However, if you want some more like unique resolution, let's say, then you can insert it manually. That's okay. So DaVinci Resolve comes with this frequently used resolution for you to pick from. So I'm just gonna do this HD and use vertical solution. Click OK. So what you notice is that my timeline resolution has become vertical, and that is also why my texts are just like not fitting. But that's okay. So you kind of just have to like change them a bit, right? So okay, because mine is a fusion composition, so let me just yeah. So once I decompose in place and I change the size of my letter, ta-da! It's small, and that's very key. Anything here. Let's just make the text. Our video works with this resolution as well. So essentially that is how you change the timeline resolution. What if you want to change the whole project resolution? So every time you create a timeline, it's the vertical resolution. Simple. Put it here. You come to the little setting wheel at the right hand corner, come to master setting, and you come to this timeline format, timeline resolution. Okay, so let's make it vertical. All right, and let's put it safe. Okay, amazing. If we come right click timeline, create a new timeline, keep this use project setting checked, then when we create, it will be automatically the vertical canvas that we want. If we don't check it, then you can come to all these tabs and freely change the settings that can be different from the project setting. So you can do that, and basically if you know that all the timelines in this project you're gonna follow the same settings, then you just keep to the project setting. Just one time, key in everything you want in the project setting and then use it for all the time. Alright, so very simple tutorial, and I hope you got to fix your issue if you didn't know how to make a vertical or another resolution. If it did help you, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends who need this as well or might need this in the future. I'll see you guys in the next one, and bye bye. Happy creating.